Hi, everyone. I've got something super exciting. This best BMW G80 M3 is a total game changer. Trust me, you're going to love what this brings to the table. First, the look of this thing. It has a premium feel that you usually only find in expensive brands. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners on this one. But here's the best part. The price. It's a total steal. High quality for a fraction of what you'd expect. High quality without breaking the bank? Yes, please. This is a real multitasker for your routine. Perfect for your workspace, home, or even as a thoughtful gift. It's reliable, stylish, and honestly just a joy to use. Now, here's the catch. Stock is moving fast. Smash that link below right now to see the deal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.